Today we're going to look at a little bit of groundwork. I'm not a wrestler, I'm not a grappler, I just play on the ground. You need to have some sort of experience in moving on the ground. Okay? I don't really do submissions, I'll play with them, but for me it's about being on the ground and being able to get up as quick as possible. So today we're going to look at the sit-up and then the stand-up. Okay? So here's the first little bit. We're just going to go down. I'll go on the side first. So if I want to get up, what I need to do is get my legs underneath of me first. Okay? Because I need to get my hips off the ground and underneath of me. First part we're going to do with the hands in here. One hand's going to be forward to cover. This other hand's going to go down. And we're going to hit with the tricep first. Make sure when the tricep hits that your elbow is above your shoulder. It's not level with your shoulder or lower than your shoulder, because you can't effectively get up if there's pressure on your chest. You need to be able to post it out. Okay? So we're going to go tricep above shoulder. We're going to get up diagonally, go to the forearm, and then from here, sit up. I'm not sitting all the way up. Okay? I need to stay back just in case they're going to hit me with a long range weapon like a kick. Okay? From in here, I'm going to lift up my hip off the ground, and then I'm going to turn, pointing my backside to the wall, and I'm going to land with my knee and my foot behind my hand and elbow. Okay? It should look a bit like this. From here, I'm going to lift and jump back in here, and then stand up and get back a little bit further if I wish. Looking at that from the front, it's going down again, elbow above shoulder, forearm, hand, lift, through, stand, and then back. Hands up at all times. As a little bit of a test, because I always want to test things, okay? To see if they do actually work. It doesn't need to be a lot of pressure, just a little bit of pressure to start with. So if I can grab David, all he's going to do is put pressure on my chest with his hand. He doesn't need to put his full force on to start with. Do it little by little. If I try to get up straight, this becomes hard because I have no structure, I have no posture. I'm trying to use muscle to bull my way forward. That's the wrong way to do things. So what I want to do is to get an angle on where the pressure is. So instead of coming straight up, I'm going to go across about 45 degrees. And as I do that, I will straighten. Okay? That means if he is in between here and there is pressure in here and I need to get away, that first part is going to get rid of his direction of power. And then I'll just get up from there. Okay, it's pretty simple. You want to be able to play with it. You've got to make it a little bit more, you've got to make it a little bit more live, obviously. We're just playing, as I do in all my videos. It's just to have a look at it, take it home and play with it, because it's good fun. Thanks very much, guys. Try less, do more. Cheers.